Theo, come here. Look at this. Look at the food. So good.
Yes, it's so good for you.
Yeah, how about you want to try?
No.
This is langka, gata.
Wonka? Why?
Langka. And
That's so Wonka.
and shrimp.
It's so good.
So good, man.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's so creamy. And then
There.
pwede ako pabukas sa
I got it.
shrimp. Ako na kung ano. Thank you, Nay. Tama lang ang gata. Nala tuloy sa ano to? Sa bukid namin.
Why, Daddy?
Pero hinahalo lang namin paglangka. Ang tawag sa amin dilis, yung anong ba sa Bisaya yung dilis?
Yes, Daddy.
Ano yung maliliit na fish?
Here we go.
Para dito, yung bulad.
Oh, where are your
So good.
letters?
Halo gulay.
Wait,
And mango yellow. Sarap. Thank you. Mama.